So today I'm going to show you a dal dish. It's basically a lentil dish. When I first went to India, on people's dining table, there's always a staple dish, which is the dal. And later what I found out is that for a lot of the vegetarian diet in India, dal is a main source of protein. So it's very nutritious in terms of vegetables, proteins, and can put together a very humble dish on the table that people can eat day in and day out. Today I'm using a very specific dal called the Toor Dal. You can use mung dal, which is the green bean, but usually you buy ones that the skins are already off. Again, Indian dish, very stable ingredients: onion, tomato, coriander, and a little bit of spice. And today the main star is the dal. The dal is like rice. You wash them first. So you wash them until the water is clear. And then I'm going to put 4 cups of water. Okay, put in the spice. And then teaspoons. And dal takes quite some time to cook. So today I'm going to use a pressure cooker. So the dal now is in the pressure cooker. We'll let it cook. It probably takes about 20 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare the vegetables that are going into the dal. Today I'm going to cook with ghee. So ghee is a clarified butter. Basically is if you continue to cook butter, the liquid will goes down and the fat will comes up, and then they take all the fat on the top. So it's very delicious. What I will do is I will fry the ghee with the spices, and then I will just throw in the onion, tomato. I inherited this from my mother-in-law. Basically, they use this to blend the vegetable curry. So what we do is we just put it in. You can use a blender, hand blender. This is a manual blender. This, in a way, is you can adjust how fine or how coarse you want it to be. Because the dal is so soft already, I don't need to do much. And it's good to keep a little bit of a consistency of the grain also if you want. Then we let it cook for about another 10 minutes.